Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview under the sun pool 27 foot by 52 inch. Take in the summertime sun splashing and playing in under the sun 27 foot by 52 inch above ground pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot dipped galvanized steel walls strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. This kit comes with solid blue GLI overlap liner and wide mouth wall skimmer kit. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits: universal top and bottom steel rails. This pool carries a 20-year warranty backed by Hollowell Industries. This kit comes complete with a wide mouth wall skimmer, skimmer basket, return inlet, gasket, skimmer weir, and hardware kit. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.